One of the new projects funded by Cancer Council New South Wales are developing drugs to target particularly aggressive forms of breast cancer with hopefully few side effects. I'm joined by Professor Jackie Matthews. How are you going, Jackie?
Very well, thank you.
Now, you're targeting sporadic breast cancers. What does it mean for a breast cancer to be sporadic?
Well, everybody knows you need to be careful if you've got a family member with breast cancer. But about 80 or 90% of cancers come from almost nowhere. That's sporadic breast cancer.
And breast cancer is still highly prevalent in Australia, isn't it?
It sure is. At least 13,000 women are diagnosed with breast cancer every year, and about 3,000 die.
A lot of people survive breast cancer these days. There's still a stubborn amount where the cures struggle. Do we know why?
Well, some breast cancers are so nasty because the cancer cells proliferate at really high rates, so they're growing very, very quickly.
What have you discovered that might slow down the proliferation of breast cancer cells?
Well, what we're working on is a protein called LMO4.
LMO4. Tell me about LMO4.
Okay. LMO4 is a protein that's very highly expressed in rapidly dividing cancer cells.
This work you're doing is actually based on groundbreaking world-class research that you originally did on this protein, yeah?
Yeah, that's right. So about 10 years ago in my lab, we were the first to discover just how this protein, LMO4, interacts with its partners. That's how it does its job. It interacts with other things and makes lots of things function inside cells. So what we want to do is to inhibit LMO4.
With the current cancer treatments that people receive, why are there such bad side effects sometimes?
Well, the side effects really happen because a lot of these chemotherapies can't really tell the difference between a healthy cell and a cancer cell.
So while they attack and destroy cancer cells, they're also attacking and destroying healthy parts of your body, making you feel sick in the gut, making your hair fall out, etc.
That's right. Side effects can be really debilitating in cancer treatment. We want to improve quality of life as well as getting more people to survive.
Where are you at with the research now? Are you yet at trial stage?
We're not at trial stage. What we're trying to do is build on this research that understands how LMO4 interacts with its partners and to try and develop inhibitors that will stop it interacting in the way that it normally would. And there's still more to come. We need to identify things, they need to get validated, we need to take them through clinical trials.
Breakthroughs in breast cancer would be massive. It's still a highly prevalent disease, isn't it?
It is still very highly prevalent. We've got thousands of women dying in Australia each year from breast cancer. Many more thousands are being diagnosed.
So how important is substantial, structured, stable, long-term funding for a research lab like yours?
Oh, it's absolutely vital. Not only do we have to keep the projects rolling along, we have to keep the people who have the know-how working at those jobs. So to all of our supporters, I say thank you. It is an absolute privilege to be able to do our research with your help. So hopefully together we'll be able to find a cure for this deadly disease. Thank you.